You trying to take off?
Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM.
What is up? What is down? What is left? And what is right? Hey guys!
We are back with another mukbang. Today we are doing Little Caesars. Might as well get a thumbnail.
The fact that we did that at the same time.
So I can't eat pizza unless I dunk it in garlic butter. Right. Say
Our main man to the side.
Carson.
I'm ready to try. I'm just.
Oh yeah. That just made my nipples hard.
This was up. So what we gonna talk about today?
Well, I ain't even think about it.
I'm going with cheeseburger.
Oh, big. Want some, Carson? You looking like you want some. So what's new?
Nothing. Working. As always.
Last time I got pizza from here, the other day, it was so hot that the pizza was falling apart.
That's the best kind of pizza.
It was so good.
Pizza. That's the best pizza.
We watching the BET Awards, y'all, but we got it on mute.
But me and Will, when we used to go to church, we literally ate this every single Sunday.
For real?
And you got to your nose too tough, but guess what?
What?
Every single Sunday, it was on point.
Mm-hmm. Oh man, I want to listen to this.
That's Janelle.
We ain't getting paid yet anyways. But it's okay. That's why we got a job. Okay, girl. I just want to hear it for a second. Right?
Okay.
Girl, just like her cousin, Beyonce. You didn't know that cousin?
No, they're not.
Look it up.
I know they know.
Mm-hmm.
Listen. No. Today, how does that work? I got in a whole argument with this person.
Wow.
They try to tell me red velvet cake is chocolate cake.
It is.
I know the hell it's not.
It's the same way.
No, it's not the same.
I
It
heard
tastes
this
completely
before though.
different.
I don't know, but I heard it before. I don't eat cake, so.
I do. Clearly. But no, all of this, that's crazy. I have been bamboozled,
Right.
if it is.
And if I do, I eat red velvet sometimes, but only if somebody like selling it on Facebook.
Right. The store is,
Store bought ain't good.
Publix is,
I don't eat cake.
Acme pizza.
A lot of people don't know about Publix though. Like when we move up here, people don't know about Publix.
Yeah, they go to Acme.
I don't know what that is.
Expensive.
Are y'all the type that fold your pizza? Or eat it regular, with or without the crust? What team are you? I'm team folded and dunk it in the garbage. You fold it too?
I don't, it just, my god brother, He eat the pizza. He eat pizza this way. Right there. And eat the crust first.
I guess they're the best for life. So I did this thing on Facebook. This quiz about, oh my God, when your next baby's gonna be. It said I'm gonna have twin girls in December on Christmas.
They told me I was gonna have no children.
For real? That's what you thought. I got a child. Actually,
3 of
3 got you.
Like, I want children. Yeah, I want children, but it has to come started.
What remix that is to?
It kind of look like you notice they started to have a lot of people on stage now that Beyonce did it.
That's what I said. I said, get a girl like your cousin.
And then, what's her name did it? Taylor Swift. She had a band, but
For real?
yeah.
That unsalted man. I'm just No, I like her. I do.
Me too. Her and Carrie Perry made up.
They was beefing. Is that good?
Oh, it's on point. It just tastes like pizza, but without the sauce.
Oh, no, thank you.
But what was I saying?
Katy Perry.
Oh yeah, so everybody thinking now they gonna collab.
I don't think so. Her and Kanye West, that'd be like the biggest collab.
The internet would be broke.
It's dying.
It's about me.
Oh my God. If you don't like...
I was just just about to say that. I kid you not. I was just about to say, if you don't like burping, smacking.
Hello. Shout out to Eat With Crew. Because your song's stuck in our head. And we ain't trying to take the stuff.
We don't condone anything else.
If you don't like...
I don't know why this gets stuck in my head. That and baby girl.
We are on a different level. Boy, what's up? Where your pastor's at? Huh?
So I want some pizza too.
And he be trying to eat it.
I know he's no tea.
I'm so thirsty.
Oof.
I know you ain't full.
What's
How much pizza you ate?
2. This is my second one right here.
I could do a soda butt bag. I could drink about 3 big things like this in one video.
I haven't drank soda in
Almost a year.
No.
Or over a year.
like going on 2. Will's going on 4 or 3. When was you living in Cottonwood?
3.
He's going on 3. I'm going on 2. I started right after him.
I mean, when I was pregnant, ooh, hooey.
But I drink ginger ale though.
It's not soda.
It's not. It's medicine. And if you say otherwise, you're wrong. When your stomach hurts, what your parents tell you drink?
Pepto-Bismol. I'm just kidding.
I can't. Pepto-Bismol is nasty.
I can. Ooh, my stomach hurt just thinking about it.
That made me not like anything bubblegum flavor other than bubblegum.
Carson, what you looking at? Look at him. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo. Hey, mommy boo-boo. I love you. I love you. I just sit at home and do mukbangs and
On our days off, because other than that, we stay at work.
do with Carson.
Hello.
I miss you.
How my kitty kids doing?
Car. Who wanted to be on my lap?
Food for what? I'm full now.
This is a cheap meal. Oh, Carson. How'd I learn? Oh, your uncle ain't burped you.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No,
He
you
burped.
didn't.
Yes, I did. And he burped.
So why are you going up? Close.
He just wants your attention.
Place a glass.
Excuse me.
I'll make a toast.
What's your toast?
Around this year, next year, all our goals will be met.
1,000 subscribers.
Ain't gonna take us no year to get there.
You never know. Start small. Start small.
No. Hey, cousin. Oh! Look, here, cousin. You know what that is? Oh my God.
You know what? He doing his little mouth like this.
He's out. Can't have no soda.
You know you can't have none either, child.
Hello. You need to put on the caption, burping and all that. Burping, clapping, snapping. Burping, clapping, snapping. For real. Oh my God.
I'm tired of you.
I'm trying to get the views
How you? A burp, 1,000 views for one burp.
I wish you could have been there when would you stayed in the room while I was in
passed
there?
out to you. Yeah. No, I wasn't.
Cause Will walked out. They said he could have stayed in. He was like, I'm not gonna watch this. But thing he didn't have to watch. You could have stood up there.
I mean, in school they already taught. They taught us. They showed us a video where they have them burp.
But you guys, I'm sorry. You guys would have passed out in it.
You was screaming?
No, actually, I didn't do that bad. I was screaming at first. But when she told me, just listen to her, I was like, she said, breathe. And then when she told me to push, she said, when I tell you to push, just keep pushing. So, but I couldn't push for that long time because it felt like I was about to doo-doo. I was like, she said, don't stop. I was like, yeah. And then it just felt like a fire, like burning. I was like, burn, I feel like I'm pooping. She said, no, it's the baby. I was like, oh my gosh. She said, look up. No, I don't want to see. Because I probably would have passed out. Then what they gonna do?
So what, Like, explain it to me like something. Like compare it.
Nothing. Nothing compared. And so, oh, I know him. What, Carson? Hello. I'm gonna get me one more cup and I'm done. Oh, XX is Tensasio. What's his name? X.
I thought his name was Tenacious for the longest. I was like, X is Tenacious.
Whenever you see somebody do.
I didn't know.
Dang, that's a shining.
So when you went, did you use that little kiosk thing
For what?
to get the pizza?
Child, this is not Florida.
Damn, got that.
That jump behind the counter. When I walked in there, none of the TVs worked for me to look at the menu. So I was like, do y'all got cinnamon sticks? She was like, nah, we ain't got that no more. I said, right. I said, yeah, okay.
You ain't had no pizza. I mean, they ain't had no dessert.
Pizza, wings, breadsticks.
You know what I miss? Wings.
Yeah.
I miss Hungry Howie's.
Oh my God, they don't got that down here. Up here. Get off yourself. Down, double G. I haven't seen him perform in a while. Hey. Down. He got too much money for me. He gonna sue me. So, car. Hold on. Say hey, Carson.
No,
He just want to be up here with us. Look, Carson.
he don't like not being in the known. That's it.
Carson. Hey. He's so mean. My baby's so mean, y'all.
He ripped my hair out earlier this morning.
You trying to take off? You want to do it, my bang too?
Carson.
He said, I want to be in the video. He looking like, all these lights. You gonna take over? You gonna be on YouTube too? Huh, do that? Say yeah. Say yeah, mommy. My baby. But somebody had the nerve arguing with my boyfriend, talking about Snoop Dogg ain't a good rapper. He ain't do nothing for rap. Are you serious? Like,
He must have been talking to
you know, BW had the school.
a 2000s baby.
You can't relate. That joke was so funny. BW like, what? Snoop Dogg was around when Tupac, all that. And the fact that they don't know that, they kids. They babies, not kids.
Carson. Excuse me.
He watching TV, looking at the lights. See, he was just about to cut up.
All he wanted to do was just sit.
Well, that's all for the video, guys. we just gonna remind you guys to always be you
Be unique.
and always be
Be
great.
great.